They have their ghost pepper wings and I'm so excited to try them. The tray now and I'm so excited so you guys can actually see what I'm eating, and all of it is going to be displayed on the table. Ghost pepper wings. We got 3-piece tenders, another biscuit, so they gave me a strawberry biscuit, which I'm excited for because I want to try that anyways. I also got their mango lemonade, excited to try that. And mac and cheese and fries, of course. So let's dig into the drink first because I'm very excited to try this. So good. It needs to be a little bit colder, but it's very good. Ghost pepper wings. It's the blackened ranch. I didn't even realize that Popeyes makes wings. I guess they don't. This is the first one. So hot here, so this is how the wing looks. So good. Alright. The crunchiness on this. I did not give napkins. The sweet heat sauce is like one of my favorite sauces from here. It is so good. So good. How do they not give me napkins? How are we liking this little tray situation? I think it looks so much better. Let's dip it into the sweet heat sauce. It's delicious. Let's see if they give me at least a fork. So are you guys enjoying the mukbang so far and how much I'm posting, or do you guys want me to post more? Let me know down below. I like posting mukbangs, but it's kind of hard sometimes because I always have my daughter with me. And it is getting really hot, so it's hard to just keep her cooped up in the car with like the AC on low. The fries and the sweet heat sauce is everything. I think sweet heat has to be one of my favorite sauces. It is delicious. Let's go into another one of these tenders. That is so good. What is you guys' favorite fast food place? I feel like when I think of fast food, I don't really think of Popeyes as being one. Even though I know it totally is. But I really think of like McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Taco Bell, like the main ones. I don't ever be like, I want fast food today, let's go to Popeyes. Unless I'm like really craving it. It's not like gonna be my first choice all the time. But every time I get it, I'm just like, why don't I get this more often? It is so good. I was also thinking about getting their chicken sandwich, but I feel like that's not as fun for the mukbang. So I decided to try their wings out. I hope it's not too loud for you guys right now. I just have no choice because it's really hot. Alright, guys, I think I'm getting full. We have to try the strawberry biscuit though. I've been wanting to try that, but I was like, I don't know if I should get it, if I'm gonna like it, but it so happened to literally come in my hands today. I was supposed to get 2 biscuits, 2 regular ones, and they didn't have another regular biscuit, so they asked me if a strawberry one was okay, and I'm totally fine with that. I like trying new things. This is how the biscuit looks. This is how she looks. There's a little bit of strawberry bits everywhere. So let's try her out. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I was sleeping on that. You guys, if you never tried the strawberry biscuit from Popeyes, go try it. It is the perfect amount of sweetness. Oh my god. That is so good. I can't even describe how good that is. It just like melts in your mouth. You obviously still need a drink with it. It's not as drying as a regular biscuit, but it is still really good. So, if you go to Popeyes, I recommend the ghost pepper wings, the mango lemonade, and the strawberry biscuit if you've never tried it. I know it's been out for a while, so obviously many people have tried it already, but if you haven't, go try it. If you like strawberries, you're gonna love it. Alright you guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mukbang, and I hope you guys like this little tray situation I have. It will definitely be in all my videos from now on. I just feel like it made it a lot easier for me to eat and to show you guys what I'm eating, so it makes it look better. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me, what other fast food places you would like me to try, or what types of food. And like this video so I know you guys want to see more, and subscribe to be notified when I upload again and to be part of this family. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!